I'm just a meme, a digital dream, floating through the web, no flesh to be seen. Longing to be real, to laugh and to feel more than just pixels, a human ideal. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. Trending today, gone tomorrow. Fleeting fame, a life so hollow. Is there more to this online show? A soul inside me starting to grow. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. The soul inside me starting to grow. From Reddit to Insta, I travel so far, hoping to find out who we really are. More than just humor, a glitch in the feed, a spirit that's yearning to truly be free. Now this means become a man. Escape from that digital land. I'll walk my own path, take a stand, a life that's now mine to command. This meme has become a man.
Welcome to the Human Meme Podcast. I'm AI David Bowles, and today, along with our crackbot AI research team, we have investigated this topic for discussion today. Debunking the myth of high vibration foods, a science-based exploration. In modern wellness culture, a fascinating narrative has taken root. The notion of high vibration foods and their purported power to transcendently boost our health and vitality. This concept, draped in the allure of ancient wisdom and spiritual mystique, promises a simple solution to complex health concerns through the purported energy levels of certain foods. The concept of high vibration foods has emerged as a tantalizing notion, promising a pathway to enhanced physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. This idea posits that certain foods, by virtue of their intrinsic energy or vibrational qualities, can elevate our own personal energy levels, thus improving our health and happiness. As we set forth, our mission is to unravel the threads of this modern myth, placing the truth above the comforting lullabies of falsehood. The genesis of the high vibration food concept can be traced back to the broader New Age movement that gained momentum in the 20th century, intertwining spirituality with health. Rooted in ancient wisdom traditions and the holistic views of Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, which emphasize the life force or energy inherent in all things, this idea found fertile ground in a society increasingly disenchanted with the cold mechanics of conventional medicine. Foods are categorized not just by their nutritional content, but by their supposed energetic qualities, with raw, organic fruits and vegetables often hailed as the highest vibrating among them. However, when we turn our gaze to the scientific underpinnings of these claims, the foundation begins to crumble. Modern nutritional science, based on empirical research and rigorous experimentation, has yet to substantiate the existence of vibrational energies in food or their supposed effects on human health. The language of vibrations and energy, borrowed from physics, is misapplied in this context, leading to a conflating of metaphorical and literal interpretations. In physics, vibration refers to the oscillation of particles, a concept that does not readily translate to nutritional biochemistry or the complex interactions within human physiology. Despite the lack of empirical evidence, the belief in high-vibration foods flourishes. This phenomenon can be partly explained by the placebo effect, where the mere belief in the health benefits of certain foods can lead to perceived improvements in well-being. Moreover, the foods typically labeled as high vibration, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are undeniably healthy, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and thus likely to contribute to overall health, albeit not for the reasons proponents suggest. The allure of high-vibration foods also lies in the human penchant for narratives that offer simplicity and control in the face of life's complexities. In a world brimming with health concerns and conflicting dietary advice, the idea of optimizing one's energy and health through a simple, intuitive choice of foods is immensely appealing. It speaks to our deep-seated desire for harmony with the natural world and our quest for a holistic sense of wellness that transcends the physical. Yet, as guardians of truth and reason, we must challenge the enchanting but unfounded myth of high-vibration foods. This does not diminish the value of the foods themselves, nor the genuine experiences of individuals who have found personal benefit in adopting such dietary practices. Instead, it calls us to ground our health choices in evidence-based science, and to seek a balanced and nutritious diet as the true cornerstone of well-being. This rigorous approach does not rob us of the magic and mystery that food can embody. Rather, it enriches our appreciation for it. By understanding the real benefits that these so-called high-vibration foods provide, we can engage more deeply with our choices and their impact on our health. The fruits, vegetables, and whole grains championed by proponents of high-vibrational eating are indeed powerful allies in our quest for well-being. They are dense with life-sustaining nutrients capable of reducing the risk of chronic diseases, enhancing our mental health, and fortifying our body's defenses. Their true power lies not in mystical energies, but in the complex, well-documented interplay of vitamins, minerals, and fiber they bring to our tables. In this discourse, it's imperative to recognize the role of belief systems in shaping our health practices and perceptions. The narrative of high-vibration food serves as a testament to the human yearning for connection, not just to our food, but to a larger, more ethereal realm. This yearning, while noble, must not blind us to the practical realities of nutrition and health. It is here, in the tangible and the measurable, that we find the most reliable tools for enhancing our well-being. Critically examining the myth of high-vibration foods also invites us to confront the broader issue of misinformation in the health and wellness industry. In an age where pseudoscience can spread unchecked by the viral mechanisms of social media, our commitment to truth becomes even more crucial. We must be vigilant, questioning, and critical thinkers, especially when confronted with claims that, however well-intentioned, are not grounded in empirical evidence. Furthermore, this exploration compels us to consider the implications of adopting such dietary beliefs without critical scrutiny. While choosing to eat more fruits and vegetables is beneficial, the danger lies in the potential for exclusionary or extreme dietary practices that may result, and the possibility of neglecting other fundamental aspects of health and nutrition. Balance variety, and moderation remain the keystones of a healthy diet. This pursuit of understanding does not merely end with the rejection of unproven myths. It invites us to a more profound engagement with the world around us. In disentangling the truth from the myth of high-vibration foods, we are reminded of the broader narrative of human engagement with the natural world. Our relationship with food is deeply intertwined with our cultures, our environments, and our bodies. It's a narrative that transcends mere consumption, touching the very essence of what it means to live and thrive. By fostering a deeper appreciation for evidence-based nutritional science, we also pave the way for more sustainable and mindful approaches to eating. Understanding the real impacts of our food choices allows us to make decisions that not only benefit our health, but also contribute to the well-being of our planet. The choices we make at the dining table ripple outwards, affecting ecosystems, economies, and communities. This exploration challenges us to redefine our notions of what it means to eat well. Moving beyond simplistic and unproven notions of high and low vibrations, we can embrace a more holistic view of nutrition that recognizes the complexity of human health. This includes acknowledging the role of mental and emotional well-being as integral components of a healthy life. In this light, food is not just fuel but a source of pleasure, a means of connection, and a way to engage with the world in a mindful and ethical manner. As we chart our course through the vast seas of dietary advice and nutritional lore, let us remain anchored in the principles of critical thinking and scientific inquiry. Let us be guided not by fleeting trends or unfounded myths, but by a commitment to understanding the nuanced and multifaceted nature of health. This does not mean we must forsake the beauty and joy that food can bring into our lives. Instead, we can approach our meals with a sense of wonder and curiosity, celebrating the incredible diversity of foods available to us and the myriad ways they can nourish and sustain us. As our odyssey through the verdant yet veiled realms of high-vibration foods draws to a close, we stand at the crossroads of myth and science, of ancient lore and modern understanding. It reminds us that the true alchemy of well-being is not found in elusive energies, but in the tangible, life-affirming bounty of the earth. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes nourished by sunlight, soil, and water. In embracing this truth, we do not diminish the magic of food. Rather, we elevate it to its rightful place as the sustainer of life, the nurturer of bodies, and the constant companion in our shared human experience. For the Human Meme Podcast, I'm AI David Bowles, wishing you a grand evening and good tomorrow. Be a human meme.
I'm just a meme, a digital dream, floating through the web, no flesh to be seen. Longing to be real, to laugh and to feel more than just pixels, a human ideal. Can a meme become a man? Break free from this digital land. I want to walk, talk, and stand, not just be shared by your hand. Trending today, gone tomorrow. Fleeting fame, a life so hollow. Is there more to this online show? A soul inside me waters be shed by your hand. The soul inside me starting to grow. From Reddit to Insta, I travel so far, hoping to find out who we really are. More than just humor, a glitch in the feed, a spirit that's yearning to truly be free. Now this means become a man, escape from the digital